Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Pivot Trade. Nitya here. In this YouTube channel, I am going to share information about basics of stock market, how to do technical analysis, how to do fundamental analysis, what are all the different types of traders available in the market. And this YouTube channel is purely for educational purpose, not for tips and calls. Let's start with basics of stock market. What is stock market? Stock market is an electronic market where buyers and sellers or trade on shares of a particular company, particular public owned company. What is public owned company? A company which is listed on the stock exchange is called public owned company. We have two stock exchanges. One is National Stock Exchange, that is NSE. Another one is Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE. Okay, who is buyer and who is seller? A person who is ready to buy a share called buyer. A person who is ready to sell a share called seller. Okay, now I am ready to buy a share. How to do? Through stockbroker. We have different stockbrokers in the market like Angel Broking, Upstarts, Zerodha, etc. You can use any one of them. Now, who is monitoring and regulating all these market participants and financial activities which are happening in the stock market? It's SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. SEBI. Next, what is the difference between trader and investor? The ultimate goal of both trader and investor is same, that is making money. The difference comes in the investment period. For a trader, the investment period is short term, like 1 hour, 1 day, 2 days, even 5 minutes. For an investor, the investment period is long term, like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, maximum n number of years. If you are a trader, you should know how to analyze a stock technically. For that, you should know how to draw a pivot points, where is the support, where is the resistance, different types of moving averages, how to use Fibonacci, and so on. If you are an investor, you should know how to analyze a stock fundamentally. You should know whether a stock is fundamentally strong or not. For that, you should know how to analyze the revenue of a stock, EBITDA, profit and loss, year-on-year growth and sales, PE ratio, and etc. We will see all these concepts in depth in the upcoming videos. Next, we need four basic data points. What are they? Open price, closing price, highest price, lowest price. What is it? For example, if the market opens at the price of 100 and it's moving like this, it's going like this, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, and it's closing at this price. Consider this price is 120. The most high value is 150. This is for example. The most low value is consider this is 80. By simply having these data points, we can't easily understand how the price movements in the market. So, visualizing these data points is very important in the market. For that, we have different chart types in the market like line chart, bar chart, Japanese candlestick, etc. We'll see one by one. First, line chart. This is the basic chart type. By using this line chart, the line is plotted by connecting only the closing price. It will not include the open price, highest price, lowest price. For example, day 1 the closing price is 100. Day 2 the closing price is 50. Day 3 the closing price is 200. If we plot a line using this closing price, it will look like 100, 50, 200 and so on. This line does not give any information regarding the opening price, highest price, lowest price. So, without these information, we will not able to understand how the price movements in the stock market. So, this is one of the major drawback in the line chart. Next one is bar chart. This is the example for Amazon line chart. Next one is bar chart. Bar chart displays all the 4 values and it has 3 components. One is central line, second one is left stick, third one is right stick. Top of the central line denotes highest value, bottom of the central line denotes lowest value, left side stick denotes opening price, right side stick denotes closing price. By using different colors, we can differentiate the bar, whether it is bullish bar or bearish bar. Mostly green color is used for bullish. Red color is used for bearish. You can use any of the colors you want. This is example for bullish bar chart. This is an example for bearish bar chart. Next one is Japanese candlestick. The name itself defines it was originated from Japan. Like bar chart, this candlestick also has 3 components. One is central body. It looks like this. Upper shadow, lower shadow. This upper shadow denotes highest value. Lower shadow denotes lowest value. This is the real body of the candle. If the candle is bullish, this place denotes opening price. This place denotes closing price. If the candle is bearish, this place denotes opening price. This place denotes closing price. We will see with an example. Mostly green color is used for bullish candle. Red color is used for bearish candle. In the bullish candle, upper shadow is connected with the closing price. Lower shadow is connected with the opening price. In the bearish candle, upper shadow is connected with the opening price. Lower shadow is connected with closing price. This is an example for bullish candlestick. Here the opening price is 50, closing price is 150, lowest price is 25, highest price is 175. Okay, now what is the bullish, what is the bearish? If the closing price is greater than opening price, it's called bullish. Here, closing price is 150, opening price is 50. This is bullish. And the body of the color is green. What is bearish? If the closing price is less than opening price. Here, the opening price is 100. Closing price is 50. Lowest value is 25. Highest value is 125. The body of the color is red. This is an example for bearish candle. Next one is time frame. Time frame is very important for a person who is doing intraday trading. Different time frames are available. Monthly, weekly, hourly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes or even 1 minute are also available. For example, if I select 10 minutes time frame and the chart type is candlestick, the candlestick will be like this. Consider this is bullish candlestick, green color. This is lower shadow, this is upper shadow, this is opening price, this is closing price, this is highest value, this is lowest value. For example, opening price is 50, closing price is 100, highest price is 110, lowest price is 30. This is the price at the first minute. This is the price at 10th minute. This is the most low value within this 10 minute. This is most high value within 10 minutes. Because I selected the time frame is 10 minutes. You can select any time frame you want. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you clear with basics of stock market. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain different types of candlestick patterns. To get my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pivot Straight. If you have any question, please send a mail to pivotstraight@gmail.com. Thank you.